obviously I have some nail clippers. I bought some cuticle nippers, some cuticle sticks, some filing boards, cuticle massage cream, and then I actually saw these and I really liked them, so I'm gonna try to use these today. And instead of using the glue that comes in the package, I'm gonna use this nail bond glue. I really like this. I think it makes them last for the amount of time I usually like to keep the nails on, which is about 7 days. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my nails and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I just washed my hands. I'm going to go ahead and just clip my nails shorter, just a little bit, just to get the extra pieces off. And I usually just clip my nails like this, nothing too special. Okay, so I like the length and they are pretty smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go in and clean up any dirt underneath my nails. And maybe any extra like nail shavings that are under there. Next I'm gonna go ahead and push my cuticles down, just so I can make sure the nail like presses in really close to my skin so that it looks more natural than just like a glue-on nail. I kind of push the sides out a little bit and then I'll start to gently kind of press the cuticle in. I do my nails pretty regularly, so my cuticles are never super hard to push in, but if this is your first time pushing your cuticles down, it might be a little bit uncomfortable, so just be careful. Okay, so I am going to go in with the nail file and I'm just going to sort of lightly buff the surface of my nails just to get any like maybe previous glue from another time I did my nails, remove the oils that are on my nail as well. And this will just kind of help the glue adhere to my nail bed a little bit better and make the manicure last a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and use these nails that I picked up, the Salon Perfect Modern French nail. I think they look really pretty, so I'm excited to see what they look like. So whenever you open up the package, obviously you're gonna get quite a few things. This does come with the nail glue, which I'm not going to be using. I'm going to be using my nail bond that I got on Amazon. I like this stuff so much. It really just holds, and it's also super useful because it has a nail brush applicator instead of the squeeze tube, which I find very difficult to use. So this I do prefer personally. Okay, so I went ahead and I chose the nails that fit my nails, I think, the best. Something I didn't realize was that these are kind of more of a curved nail, so when I put them on, I think that they're going to be something I'm not really used to, but you know, I'm open to trying new things. I think they look really cute, so all I can do is go ahead and try. So I always go left to right. I don't know why, I've just always done it that way personally. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my nail bond, and I used to apply it to both the nail, like my real nail and the fake nail, but I noticed I just end up putting way too much glue and it's just super messy. So I kind of just take a little bit of the glue and brush it on my actual nail, and I do like a pretty good layer, not like an overwhelming amount. I'll just brush it on there, and then I'll take the nail. I do apply it at a 45 kind of degree angle where I want it at the bottom, and then I try to get like a feel for how it's going to be on my nail while making it straight. And then I push down on the nail for 10 seconds. And then I'll push down on the sides for 10 seconds as well. Alright, so this is what it looks like on. I will go ahead and do the rest of them and see. Okay, so this is them filed, and see what I mean? They're a little bit curved, but I've never had nails curved like this, so I'm kind of interested to see how it is. But thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this was helpful to anyone that was interested.